Welcome to Tha Brain, your universal AI-powered tool for serial and MQTT device interaction. To begin, make sure you launch Tha Brain as administrator. This ensures full access to all system ports and services. On first launch, you'll be prompted to enter your OpenAI API key. This allows the built-in assistant to analyze and generate commands based on your device data. After saving the key, simply restart the app. The brain will now load with all AI features enabled and ready to assist. Let's walk through the serial monitoring features. The brain automatically detects all available COM ports on your system. You'll see the current connection status displayed at the top of the interface. Choose your desired COM port and connect with one click. Once connected, incoming data streams are shown live in real time. You can also send commands or messages to the connected device directly from the interface. The brain supports both direct cable connections and wireless modules like LoRa or Bluetooth. Enable automatic repeat commands to send instructions every 5 seconds, perfect for control loops or testing. At any time, export your log to a .txt file with one click. Need a clean slate? Use the Clear Log button to instantly wipe the session history. Update button to check available ports. And finally, use the Refresh button to check for new devices or COM ports at any time. The Brain, one app to understand them all. Download it now and let your devices speak your language. Thanks for watching. Please comment if there's something specific you'd like to learn. Remember to subscribe, activate the bell, and give us a like. See you next time.